welcome back to Shelly's Homemade, guys. And today we're going to be making a very special treat, a Caribbean style curry chicken, guys. So for our Caribbean style curry chicken, you're going to need some chicken bouillon. I have some potatoes and carrots here. I have some bell peppers, yellow, red, green, some onions. I have some curry powder, some garlic, some thyme, some bay leaf. Of course, we don't make a dish in here without Shelly's house seasoning, which is salt, pepper, seasonal, garlic, and onion powder. And we have some olive oil. So let's get started. So first thing let's do is just, get some olive oil down on our chicken, just like that. Start the marinade process. And this is gonna hang out on my back counter for an hour, hour and a half. What you can do this the night before and just let it sit overnight. But I don't have that kind of time. We're not gonna do that. I'm gonna add a couple bay leaves. And sometimes I always forget to put my potatoes and carrots into this sometimes. So what I like to do, so I don't forget, is to get it right in there at the beginning of the process. Shelly's house seasoning, we're going to use a couple tablespoons. Shelly's house seasoning I want to use. And then we're going to use some chicken bouillon, guys. Just sprinkle you some chicken bouillon. Get that 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon on there, guys. And you get, and sorry about that, someone's at my door. And get some of this garlic in there. We're going to get about 2 tablespoons of this minced garlic. Let's get our onions and peppers in there. I'll get our thyme in here. Just like that. Get a couple sprigs of thyme. Some curry powder. Now we're going to put the superstar in there, that curry powder. Make sure you get you a good curry powder. Alright. Just like that. And we're going to put some dry thyme in here too. I forgot to pull it out. But we're going to put some dry thyme in here as well. Help with that flavor, guys. Look at that. And we're just going to let this hang out for a little while. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to mix this in. Get it all mixed in. All our veggies, our seasoning, that curry powder. We want everything just mixed. Also gentle inside of here, just like this. And that olive oil is just going to help everything adhere to our chicken, to help it, to help all of them seasoning go through our chicken. Look at that. And when you put curry powder in there, you want to get a lot. You want to get a lot in there. Don't just sprinkle lightly. Get it all in there. You got everything all mixed in. Now we're gonna put some aluminum foil over top of this. We're gonna get it on. We're gonna get it on my dining room table. It's just gonna sit there for a little while, and when I come back, we're gonna sear off the chicken, and then we're gonna get it into a pan all of the veggies, all of this, the liquid and everything that goes to the bottom. You're going to get all of that in there with some chicken broth and a half a can, not the whole can, but a half a can of coconut milk. Alright guys. Okay, before I let y'all go, I forgot to get my scallions in here. Can't have Korean food without some scallions, guys. And then I'm just going to put it on top. I was like, I just felt like I was missing an ingredient, and then I looked. I was like, oh, my scallions. You just can't do Caribbean food without getting those scallions in there. Okay. You know, when you go to a Caribbean spot, you want to get your curry chicken. They marinate theirs overnight, sometimes 2-3 days. But I was told that you could marinate for an hour and it'll get all into the chicken and it'll still be good. But I think the stores do that just the same time or whatever. But they doing so much chicken and I'm just doing a little bit. So it'll be fine. Alright, be back. Okay guys, so it's been an hour. Let's sear up some chicken. Whew. Veggies off. And this is going to lock all the juices and all of the flavor inside of the chicken. Alright, let's flip this chicken. There you go, look at that. And just all we're doing is just filling the flavors in. Now, messing with this dish, y'all, was going to smell like curry for a couple of days. A couple of days, guys. Look at this. It's going to be absolutely delicious. And I got my pot right here. I'm just going to stick the chicken in there, dump all of this good stuff in there. With some chicken broth and some coconut milk. Going to be magnificent, fantastic, guys. So all of the chicken is in this pot. Now let's get our veggies in. Look at that. I'm telling you, I be doing the hang up in here, boy. I'm telling you, Caribbean curry chicken. So we're gonna pull some of this chicken broth right inside, right inside of here. We want to pick up all that stuff, all the seasoning and everything. And take the rest of this chicken broth. Pour it right down in there. It's right down in there, just like that. Going to be amazing. This is a 32-ounce box or chicken broth, guys. 7 large pieces of chicken, 2 potatoes, 10 baby carrots, onions, bell peppers, bay leaves. That'd be amazing. Got your thyme in there. You gotta shake the can up, so that's what I'm doing now. Got your thyme in there, dried thyme and fresh thyme. You got your garlic in there. You got that Shelly's house seasoning in there. Can't go wrong with the house seasoning. Such a balance of the right flavor that goes on everything. Goes on everything except when I'm baking. I don't use it on bacon. Okay. So I'm pulling half of this can of coconut milk in here. Look at that. I shook it up. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Cook down. It's going to give you flavor. You don't want to put a whole can because it's going to make it sweet if you got a whole can in here. But half a can coconut milk. Oh, the bay leaves in there. This chicken gonna fall apart off the bone all through this. It's like a stewed down stew. You know, I'm putting the lid on it. We're gonna turn it on medium to low and let this cook for an hour and a half. And when we come back, we're gonna have some curry chicken, guys. Some Caribbean curry chicken. Alright guys, so we're at the final product of this curry chicken. See how thick that sauce has gotten. Oh my goodness. Then I hit it with some peas and rice and some cabbage. Oh man, can't wait to get into this. That is so good. That is fantastic. I'm telling you guys, you gotta try this. So like, share, and subscribe, guys. Hit me up my social media pages. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.